I can't believe Zara have brought out makeup. I'm so excited. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Zara makeup. I haven't obviously bought all of them. I did buy the lip kit though. It cost $19.99. And yeah, I think that'll make a really good gift anyway in itself. I'm just gonna unbox it now. So first of all, it come like this when it got delivered to my house. So yeah, I'm so glad that it's still in here. Students have just texted me like, what time are you home? They're like, I don't know. Cheers. Right, comes like this. And then it comes in a little bag. Oh my god, I thought I was going to knock over my backdrop then. Right, so I take it out of the bag and I got, yeah, literally just the lip kit. So first of all, like the packaging is really, really nice. It's a metal tin. I don't know what this means. I'm guessing obviously it means New York, but I'm not sure what that date is. I should find out. So this comes with Line It Up lip liner in L02. It comes with a ultimate lipstick in UM01, and then it comes with a high matte liquid lipstick in M11. So they're all like the nude colours, which I didn't really like any of the other colours. So yes, I'm glad that this was the only kit there is. I just think it's so cool that I actually have one of the first ever well, especially lip liners, because this is the only one that they sell on the website. But yeah, this is how it comes when you open it up. That's the lip liner, obviously. That's the lipstick, and then that's the liquid lipstick. I'll do swatches first. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the liquid lipstick first, and then wipe it off, and then do the normal lipstick, and then see what that's like, and then do the liquid lipstick over the top of it, because I think that's what you're supposed to do. But then I'm going to see if you can wear it on their own as well. So I'll do a swatch first. This, even just by looking at it, it's really like the Kylie Jenner lip kits. That's not a pencil, it's really creamy. So I'll just do... So that goes on really nice and easily. It's very much a very pink nude. So yeah, that's the lip liner. And then the lipstick, really nice packaging. It just feels like really nice quality as well. I love that it says Zara on the front as well. So this one is... That's really nice. Oh, that's a really nice nude. That's really nice. I'm so excited. I didn't open it to see all of these. And then, oh, I couldn't get this one out earlier when I was trying to. This is the high matte, oh, is it gonna focus? Liquid lipstick. So this is really nice. It's a really nice size, to carry around with you. And that's a really nice brush as well. I'll do it here. Oh, that's a lot darker than I thought it would be. It's nice though. Yeah, I'm very much a nude person. I feel like when you've got olive skin, which is what I have, I feel like I do look really orange now though, which I don't wear fake tan, so I'm not sure why I look orange. But yeah, I do think that when you have olive skin, not a lot of makeup in general goes really, not a lot of lipstick colour, not a lot of eyeshadow colour. It's really annoying. I always have to just go for neutral colours, but I do think neutral colours are really nice anyway. So yeah, first of all I'm just gonna put on the lip liner, just line my lips. Oh, already that goes on really, really easily. Wow. Oh my god, my lips are so dry. I forgot to like, it said on the review I was reading to exfoliate your lips before, and I just didn't do that. This is a lot redder than I would probably want it to be. It's supposed to be a nude, it's quite red. So already I mean, it is the colour that it says there, so I'm not really complaining. But right, so now I'm gonna do the liquid lipstick over the top of it, see what that's like, and then I'm gonna wipe it off, draw my lip liner on again, and then do it with the just lipstick, and then once that's on, then I'll put the liquid lipstick over the top. Wow. Wow, that's a really nice brush. That is so soft on my lips. Oh my god. Feels really, feels really creamy. Really. I mean, it can't be like too much of an accurate review because I'm not wearing it all day, but I'm just doing like sort of, well yeah, first impressions really. It's gone very sticky already, but not in like a, I don't know, like I feel like the Kylie Jenner liquid lipsticks, they're very like, can't explain it, they're just like very tacky and also like drying, I think. This, to be honest, it feels like there's nothing on my lips. It actually doesn't, unless I go like this and it's sticky. Like right now, I don't really feel like there's anything on my lips, like it feels really light. That's obviously good, isn't it? And I reckon it feels as though it's gonna like stay on for a long time. Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Right, I'm just gonna go wipe it off, and then I'll put on the lip liner again with the lipstick. I'm going to exfoliate my lips this time because I completely forgot to do it. I'm just using the Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub. I hate this though, I can't get it out of my nails, it's so annoying. I've got to put like... Does anybody else do that? Am I just really weird? Oh, that always makes my lips feel so smooth after, it's amazing. Right, so just line my lips again. So next I'm going to use the Ultra Matte in UM01. Oh my god. That smells like those chocolates with the nuts in it. Oh. I really like that. I do prefer a bit less pinky nudes, more brown nudes, or like, yeah, like really light brown nudes, but I do really like that. It feels really nice on my lips. And then next I'm gonna put over the top Zara High Matte. I literally love this brush. I think these are going to be really good. I'm not normally like a lipstick person, more so a liquid lipstick person. I normally use the NYX liquid lipsticks or lip creams, but this one is really nice. I really want to start using more lipsticks. It's a really nice colour Again, like I said, I wouldn't normally have it that pink or that dark, but it's the nudist one that they do, I believe. I think they have like a more orangey one actually that's a bit lighter, which I'll probably try that one as well. But I just thought I'd get this kit out of everything because I can't afford all of them. But this one had the lip liner in, so I thought it'd probably be best to do that. But oh my god, again, it literally feels like there's nothing on my lips. It feels like it's gonna stay on for ages. It's actually like, I'm not even joking, it's like nothing I've like ever used before. I don't really know what else to say. Like, I mean, I don't know how long that actually is gonna stay on for, but it feels so good. Like, I swear to god, it doesn't feel like there's anything on my lips. Quite similar to Dose of Colour, because I feel like the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones, they're more thick and sticky, and the same with Kylie Jenner, and I feel like they like rub off and go quite like clumpy. They go quite clumpy quite easily, like on your lips, like, whereas this, I literally cannot even feel it at all. But yeah, anyway, like, that is my just really quick review on the new Zara lipsticks. I'm definitely going to be buying more. They're literally so good. I love the packaging, I love everything about them. I love that I can't feel them on my lips. I am going to put it to the test, and I'll probably like keep it updated on my Instagram, but I do actually feel like this is going to stay on for a really long time. It was even like actually quite hard to get it off. But yeah, I definitely recommend these. I can't wait for them to like bring out more colours and stuff, and just more makeup in general. If this is already like amazing, like in my eyes, I don't know what, like, I can't wait for them to bring out like a highlighter. Like, but yeah, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. Let me know if you have enjoyed this review as well. Hopefully it was really quick. I was trying to make it really quick. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.